Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to do some confusing words and a phrasal verb. What? Yeah, I got this request from some friends for these two words, spice and spicy. And then while we were talking, we said, well, you could spice up something. And they said, what? So let me review. Well, let me show you. We're not reviewing yet. S-P-I-C-E, spice. It's a noun. Spice. Yes, spice is a substance used to add flavor. Salt is a spice. Pepper is a spice. Cinnamon is a spice. Curry is a spice. I love all of those spices. Spice. We add spices to our food to make it more flavorful. Sometimes we might add too much spice and then we get spicy. We drop the E, put a Y, and now the noun becomes an adjective. And it is spicy. Long I and then an E. Spicy. Spicy. What's spicy? Spicy describes food that has a strong, hot flavor due to spices added. Do you like spicy food? Muy caliente. Spicy. Spicy. I love spicy chili, but not too spicy where my tongue burns. Eek, no, thank you. Spicy. Then we take the word spice and add the preposition up to it, and we say spice up. And now the noun becomes a phrasal verb. What does it mean to spice up? Do we throw the salt or the pepper up in the air? No. We take spice up. The phrasal verb means for food to make more flavorful. I'm going to spice up the stew and make it a little more tasty. I'm going to spice it up, add some zing, spice up. But you can also spice up conversations, stories, television shows to make something exciting or more interesting. We're going to spice up the dialogue by adding a few things right here. Or we're going to spice up the story by throwing in a greater conflict. Spice up. Hey, let's spice up this party and throw some cool music on. Or we spice up conversations by throwing or putting in controversial comments. I don't like those kind of spice ups. But let's review. Spice, the noun, a substance used to or added to food. Spicy, the adjective, describes food that has a strong, hot flavor. Spicy. And spice up means to make something more exciting or interesting, say in conversations or in movies or in books, but also to add more flavor, which makes the food more exciting or interesting. So we could spice up conversations, we could spice up stories, we could spice up food. Why does English have so many uses for the word spice that can be so fun? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this long sentence. Are you ready? The stew wasn't spicy enough for Bill, so he spiced it up with perhaps too many spices. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with spice, spicy, or spice up? You can. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.